When you're cooking, timing is crucial. But with the new Samsung Infinite Line oven, it's so much simpler. I'm going to be steaming some lovely veggies here. So I've got some peppers and some courgettes. And using this steam tray, we're going to steam them. But we're going to steam them with lots of wonderful flavors. A little bit of garlic in there and some rosemary. Now, normally, if you cook this in the oven, the whole oven is going to smell of garlic and rosemary, which is not a bad thing, of course. Love garlic. But if you're going to cook the dessert in the same oven, you'll probably end up with a garlicky flavored dessert, which is not a good thing. Right, here we go. Got the lovely peppers, courgettes, flavored with rosemary and garlic. And we're going to put that at the bottom part of the oven. Dual cook oven, so the bottom part for steaming. And that lovely flavors, they're not going to transfer into the top part of the oven and spoil our dessert. Right, the veggies are steaming, so I need to preheat the oven for the dessert. So upper oven, let's set the temperature for 175, which should be perfect for the apple tart. And start. Now I'm going to make a classic French apple tart. So I've got shop-bought puff pastry that I've rolled out, egg washed and crimped the edges. And now a little bit of compote, so stewed apple. And I'm going to sprinkle some sugar, some cinnamon, and some more butter on top. Lots of butter. We love butter. And in the oven that goes with the vegetables. And here we go with my lovely apple tart in the top oven. Now the beauty about this oven is that you can cook 2 different times and 2 different temperatures, and there's no transfer of smell or taste. Gosh, that smells so good. You've got the garlic and the rosemary and those lovely, healthy looking vegetables. And here, the apple tart. And that just smells of apple, sugar and cinnamon. No taint whatsoever, out of the same oven.